How do I link two TVs with HDMI?
Welcome to this informative video where we're going to explore how you can link two TVs together using HDMI. By the end of this guide, you should be able to enjoy your favorite shows or games on two screens simultaneously.
What do you need?
To link two TVs with HDMI, you'll need the following: two HDMI-compatible TVs. Ensure both your TVs have HDMI ports. An HDMI splitter. This device takes one HDMI signal and duplicates it to multiple outputs. In our case, it will duplicate the signal to two TVs. Two HDMI cables. You'll need these to connect from the splitter to each TV.
How do you connect everything?
Now, let's proceed to the actual setup. 1. Connect the HDMI splitter to the source. Plug one end of your first HDMI cable into the HDMI output of your source device, e.g., Blu-ray player, gaming console, etc. Plug the other end into the HDMI input of the splitter. 2. Connect the TVs to the HDMI splitter. Connect one end of your second HDMI cable to one of the HDMI outputs on the splitter. Then, connect the other end to the first TV. Do the same with your third HDMI cable and the second TV. 3. Power everything up. Turn on your source device and both TVs. Make sure each TV is set to the correct HDMI input channel.
Troubleshooting.
If you're not getting a signal on one or both of your TVs, try the following. Check your cables. Make sure all HDMI cables are securely plugged in. Check your source. Make sure your source device is on and set to the correct output. Check your TVs. Ensure they're set to the correct HDMI input. And there you have it. You've just successfully linked two TVs using HDMI. Now you can enjoy a multi-screen experience like never before. If you've followed all the steps correctly and are still facing issues, it may be worth consulting with a professional or the device manufacturer. We hope this guide has been helpful and wish you the best of luck with your setup.